Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Yes, today it's weekend on Saturday, March the 19th, 2022. We have here not so good news again. We have one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. Yes, look, March the 19th, 2022. And there's also an additional. Not a. It's a quintuplet, not additional. Quintuplet with five Sudokus merged into one big whole quintuplet, aka samurai Sudoku. And I've told you I won't do them anymore. So only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. There's no additional. Let me show you that there's no additional in this newspaper. Yeah, come on. Zoom this out. Zoom. Okay. Well. No additional. What I will do yesterday on Friday, I have left, I believe, three puzzles. Three puzzles I will do on Saturday, and the other three or other four, I do not know. I need to look into my archive with old puzzles, because in this week we have 3 days in a row with no additional, no extra puzzles. So I need to find an additional with puzzles left. Okay, look, Saturday newspaper almost to the end, so no extra puzzles. Okay, the medium Sudoku we will do this one. Yes, this one, medium Sudoku. Zoom this out. Yes, position the camera. All right, this will be number 4280. 4280. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars in the additional, this will be a 2 stars puzzle. And for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me see. We have a 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next, so that column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number is a 4. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 4. Oh, why did I wrote the number 6? This is a 4. Okay, wow, almost made this mistake. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see there 4, no 4, there 4 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here a 7, so no 7 there. There 7, so no 7 here. Here also a 7, so no 7 here. So the only place left for the 7 in this row should be there. Okay. Need to move. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 6. We have a 3 and a 6 in this row, so no 3 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So now we have 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and the 2 are missing. 1 and the 2 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 boxes left in this row for numbers 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see that 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row. 7 in that row. So the row below the last row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6, 7. Okay. Then. How about? Let me see. Come on. 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Okay. Cannot continue with the 8. Then. How about? Interesting. Well, in this column we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. Well, we see here 3, so no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 1. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 box left in this column for number 3. 1 box left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. Okay, 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then. How about? I'm thinking. 1, 2, 5, and a 9. 259. Okay. So we have a 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So in the column between, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Okay. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2 in this column, so no 2 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. Okay. Then, 1 number left in this row. For the number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5 is missing again. The 6, the 7, and 8, and the 9 is missing again. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 1 box left in this column for the number 1. Yeah, the 1 is missing. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only place left for the 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 1. Alright. 1 number left in the second column for the number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 3. 1 number left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in the second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this column, first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, third column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Find no number in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Finish in 50 minutes. Wow. I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other puzzles in the yesterday's edition. Daily practice still continues. See you then. Bye bye for now.